Oh guys, you gotta be joking.
So guys, welcome. Today's video is going to be a little bit different to all my other fishing videos. Today I am going to try my hand at magnet fishing. Damn! I got myself a magnet from Wish. It was delivered last week. So I'm going to come here to Homestead a little bit and just give it a go and throw this magnet around and see if I can pick up some metal objects that are cool. So yeah, let's see how it goes, and if you guys enjoy this one. Peace. So first few toss of the magnet. That didn't go properly. And the first issue I see with this magnet is that I've got a rope that's too short. So I'll have to stop somewhere on the way back home and grab a longer rope so I can have a longer distance to search. This is the first time I'm throwing a magnet, so a very nice little magnet, and I thought I'd give the whole magnet fishing a try. The best place would probably be at a nice jetty where people launch their boats and all that. That's where probably people would drop fishing tools, jewelry, even sunglasses. Actually, in and around here, the only place I can think of here at Homestead is to go to the wall where the water would be going towards. So if anything is going to move, it'll move there. Do we have any metal objects? First object is a bottle top. And I found more bottle caps. And another bottle top. And another bottle top. Huh? I knew it. Oh. Felt like something hooked onto the magnet. It was quite a thump, like almost like a bass hitting your lure. It's quite a weird little feeling. I don't know if it was just a rock smacking the magnet, but it felt like something was hooked on. I don't see anything. Lots of grass. Oh, there is something on here. Oh, look at that. I think, yeah, it's a CO2 canister. It has already been used. Guys, if you have any suggestions on any spots you guys know where people might hang out at water sites where they're wearing glasses and carrying all their stuff with, yeah, comment below. And needs to be in and around East Rand, because that's closest to me. But if there's anything a little bit further, I'll give it a go, make a plan. Sorry if it's very windy, guys. The wind noises are probably not so great, but it is a bit windy today. Also, if you guys are wanting to try and do a bit of magnet fishing just for the fun of it, I will link the place where I got it below. I got this on Wish. So it took about a month and a bit to arrive, but it came. It's about 300 bucks. If I'm not mistaken, this is the, I think it's a 60 kilogram weight. You get bigger ones and smaller ones, and I think this one was a nice mid-range one. I've hooked onto something here. Wonder if I can bring it in. I don't know if you guys can see the bubbles in the water. I'm stuck on something and I can feel it moving, but it feels like if I pull too much, it's gonna come off. It's moving. It just feels like it's stuck on something. Hey, it's my first find. Look at that. My first proper find. Look at that. I don't know what the hell it is. But yeah. Check this out, guys. I don't know if I'll be able to get it up here because it keeps falling. Maybe. And there we go. And that's another find, a big steel rod. And I found something else. Another piece of steel. If you guys like this type of content, let me know in the comment section if you want to see a few more of these. Well, another piece of steel. Lots of these pieces of board there. And my first proper treasure. Some money. 5 cents. South African 5 cents. Hey, hey. And another piece of steel bar. Hey, there's my first fishing hook. Seem to have hooked onto something else. What the hell is that? Oh, guys, you gotta be joking. You gotta be joking. I found a DSTV decoder. This is amazing. My first time out magnet fishing, and found myself a couple of cool objects. A lot of fun for my first time. As you can see, a lot of junk. Lots of bottle caps, gas gun canister, a whole lot of steel, and then obviously the best find of the day so far, the DSTV decoder. Even still has its subscription card in it, quite sticky in there, quite stuck. So yeah, I'm on something quite heavy. Don't know if I'll be able to bring it up, but let's try. And another piece of steel. ¡No fue! And another piece of junk steel. Well, the less fortunate can go and take all that steel that I just found and make a couple of extra bucks, so he can get himself some food or a beer. So yeah, I think I'm doing a little bit of good, like old jigging for Jordan, old Brandon, and his friends, Be Almighty, Yippee Twan Twan. Hope you guys like my addition of taking scrap out of the water. It's not diving, but very similar. So guys, as you saw, I found a couple of things in the dam at Homestead Dam. It was a lot of fun. It's my first time using one of those magnets. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. All the support is much appreciated. And then also comment below any ideas, any places that you think I should go and do the magnet fishing little outing somewhere. And if you guys like the video and you like this type of content, just let me know, hit the thumbs up, and I'll carry on doing it. Anyways guys, enjoy. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.